There are many questions about Mars. Today we are going to talk about was Mars like Earth? When the solar system settled into its current layout over 4 billion years ago, Mars and Earth formed from the same materials and looked very similar. Both are terrestrial planets with a central core, a rocky mantle, and a solid crust. It is thought that Mars had a more Earth-like environment early in its geological history, with a thicker atmosphere and abundant water that was lost over the course of hundreds of millions of years through atmospheric escape. 4 billion years ago, Mars was a completely different world. It had blue skies, fluffy clouds, and flowing water. Today, the planet is cold and dry with no signs of life. The transition from an ancient habitable world to a cold desert is depicted in a new video released by NASA's Conceptual Image Lab. Mars may look hot, but don't let its color fool you. Mars is actually pretty cold. In orbit, Mars is about 50 million miles farther away from the Sun than Earth. That means it gets a lot less light and heat to keep it warm. Mars also has a hard time holding on to the heat it does get. The atmosphere on Mars is mostly made of carbon dioxide. It is also 100 times thinner than Earth's atmosphere, so even if it did have a similar composition to the air here, humans would be unable to breathe it to survive. So the final answer is Mars was like Earth 4 billion years ago. If you like this information, do like and subscribe. See you in the next video.